share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Good life. Oh, I go on for us.
Yeah, man, good life in our place.
Good life in the place. Yeah. You know, Mr. Chicken and jerk, no most.
Up and running, man, for the Christmas, there, you see it.
True.
That's right there, man. That eat, you know.
There, man, so what you have on the grill?
Some chicken, you know. See it.
Oh, what is that, sir?
Pork over there, so.
Oh. Christmas fest.
Christmas. So do it, you know.
Yeah.
Home style. That's the chefs there.
Yeah.
So we have the beer here, so see here, we.
Like you have to think some beer on it.
Sprinkle the beer on it, see it. Why running, man?
Around him. So what kind of seasoning you use on this now?
It's a jerk season, scallion, thyme, pepper, onion, garlic, all of them things, the salt, rub it in and blend up them seasoning.
You blend them?
Yeah. Put this to soak.
Like how long you put this to soak?
You know, from last night we season it up. Overnight.
Ready for them.
Yeah.
And the pork for the pork pies.
Yeah, that's the one from the top there. This is the barbecue. See it? This is the barbecue. Well soft barbecue. That one there straight jerk on the grill. See it?
Barbecue.
Oh yeah, no.
That normal jerk.
Normal jerk this. This is a bad boy.
Yeah.
See it?
Normal jerk.
Yeah.
Where you season that? Normal season.
Normal season, ground season, same way.
Same like the chicken.
Same like chicken.
The beauty of it. Introduce yourself to the world, yeah.
Niel, man. How we build it, you know?
See there?
Know that too.
I'm Seaview.
Seaview, straight.
Good life. It's there for the jerk.
Blacks and ass, I hate this. See it?
I tell them I hate
I
this.
hate this.
Yeah, Jamaica, good life. Don't miss this.
I'm all taste it, man, so they don't know it, bro.
You see, you make them taste it on a good life.
Yes, man.
I put it on the camera to where the people them see I deal with the mats. Jerk. Straight. See there?
Yeah.
So you would do a top chef thing?
Yeah,
You look like a real chef, you
come
know?
on with cooking, I don't have a problem, you know.
Yeah.
Straight.
See, I do have some good life cooking. Mommy, come here.
See, boy, someone enter job.
Yeah.
You know, so me show it and we do things here.
Yes, they come like if we're going to start do some cooking for the good life.
Yeah, man.
Because I tell you, this look well smoked. Well, John.
Juicy, though.
Yeah. Even though you don't know my thing either, vegetarian.
Yeah, we know your
looks look good.
Juicy,
The
man.
people them are going to see it.
Well, mice up on it. No dry out. That cook same way.
For them try it.
Yeah, man. Take that.
Yes, back in a second, we have to close it up now for now.
Yeah. Wow. Steam. Wow, catch it. That's it.
Yeah, you know the good life. Jerk.
Right there.
Neil, a good life.
Mommy, I come take you the thing.
Jerk chicken.
Run show and all like.
See it, man.
Yes, good life.
They like somebody pull a weapon at her, she wanna run. You know the good life. So we have banana pan tree in here. And we have jerk pan grill.
I'll be here for 2 upon it, you know.
Yeah, I got a shop.
Yeah.
Tell me I got a shop.
Red stripe. Original beer.
Yeah.
Nice. Circle down.
Yeah, so this is
Chicken
circle
them
now.
juicy. So them pretty?
True, see there? Them can't complain.
No.
Them can't complain.
Well said.
Can't complain. You see, I give some more time again.
Yeah, keep going soak in. Flip them around and just go on. Take them out.
Yeah. Alright then. Good life there, I wait.
The next 15 minutes and go.
The next 15 minutes. Catch a color now. Catching that color.
Well smoked, see?
Yeah.
Right. That's coming out.
You see pizza back?
Sorry, I never eat it. Just make a taste piece and see it real.
Cheers.
See it.
Peel it back again. Let me see. Let them see it.
Ready. Yeah. Ready.
Yeah.
I eat, man.
Right.
This,
So that give the flavor.
I taste it.
Cross off a beer and chicken right now. So I still have a little time for it still.
Yeah, can even come out right now, because well juicy, well soaked. That's it.
Yeah.
Like I'm spray a beer upon it,
Yeah.
eat it 5 minutes and then we just take it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you don't run a restaurant for yourself?
Yeah, once I have the resource, I don't have a problem.
Yeah.
Once I have the resource, I don't have a problem.
Yeah, because I know you're my bird from fish as well too.
Same stuff. So, Boxing Day, New Year's Day, that way I deal with fish.
Yeah.
Straight, swim round.
Yeah, because I make them see you do your swim round.
Alright.
But
What about
same answer beer, huh? So your answer there, so. Chicken and cane. Yeah, I'm going. So I'm too sorry. I'm too sorry, juice.
Already, man.
Yeah.
See what if I think I'm straight off there? Sorry to make I'm straight off and chew up this one.
Oh, so the beats then. Yeah, sorry, beats.
Done boiled from last night and straight off this morning.
Yeah. Alright, look, it's ready.
Sorry there.
See it there.
That's it.
One buckle of sorry. Blessings.
Sorry, sweet enough in a bucket. Same way.
Ready. So you say rum in that too?
No, the rum there night yet.
You don't put the rum in it?
No. Rum soon gone in.
Put some rum in it. See it there. You have pot pan stove, see me and simmer down.
Yeah. Just all of the cooking are going. Gungo rice and peas.
Gungo rice pretty hot.
Yeah.
Pretty hot.
Some steamed veg.
See there? Yo, I say I got everything. What on there? I got everything, but them see it. Pretty.
Straight.
All full.
That's it.
Yeah, I got everything for you, man.
Yeah, man, and Irish there, dice up, cook up.
Oh, some Irish dice
Yeah.
up. Ready up. So that boil already? Alright, I got boil
Soon
now.
start boil up. What next? What did make? One minute.
You see a sample it.
Oh, nice.
Soak. Season to the bone.
I tell you.
That them call season to the bone. That's how we show the bone then. Pork bone.
Yeah, barbecue.
Well seasoned to the bone.
When at the bone you taste it.
Sure. See, don't have to come to Jamaica and come and Seaview and come taste him and cooking.
Alright.
And then you can tell him if it's true. Yeah, so them all invited. You cook for them.
No problem.
You definitely
Them
cook.
done and ready.
Yeah. And just come and you definitely cook for them. True.
One string bean, man. What's your point?
Now what is it? Your sauce this?
Yeah. Barbecue sauce.
That for the jerk.
Yeah.
Let me see. Just let me know. So what you use the barbecue sauce?
Ginger powder.
Ginger powder.
Yeah.
From ginger itself?
Yeah. Pan man, ketchup, our brand, we make it muscle.
Okay. What your brand?
Yeah, man.
You where you work make it?
Yeah, our company.
Or where you work make it?
Yeah.
See the muscle. So you just use that.
Yeah. And silica brown in there. New pack, we make them as well.
Or the company make this? New
Yeah.
pack. Brown. So you stick all the quick. And you put sugar in it.
String bean,
Empty.
Yeah.
Side of vegetable.
Straight.
Yeah, it's a lovely deal today. Cause boy, the food is all over. I know my idea forward when I'm gonna see the swim round.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see you do that. So you check back your jerk.
Yeah, I look on it and it's supposed to can come off anyway. See?
Yeah, looking lovely.
Can come off anyway, see?
Quiet yard. Yes, I'm ready now. Jerking right under the ackee tree. So we jerk right under the ackee tree.
Man.
Hey.
Smell nice, you smell that?
Me I tell you, smell like kick off my nose like Van Damme.
Yeah.
Kick off my nose like Van Damme. Evening. Kick off my nose.
This can't stay on this one, but I take it out and bring it going at the oven, you see it?
Oh, you go and watch some eat.
Yeah. Wait for the rest of food them.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So it's at the barbecue, so
Yeah.
get them run down again.
Barbecue and it's a natural jerk.
Natural jerk. Barbecue.
Yeah. Jerk chicken, yes. Just come off.
Jerk chicken, roast off. And then show them know already now. See there. Bongo rice. Cheese.
Yeah.
All the rice me I smell the coconut ready.
Steam veggie.
Ready you know.
It's like Irish a boil up, you know.
So see. So before it never boil, so see you know boiling.
Boil up, you know.
Cheese. Ah, you know smell good with the food.
Yeah.
Good life in Jamaica. Jamaica, good life. And this is the food life.
Yeah.
And we have man like Niel in the kitchen.
I have something for you.
See?
I go feed.
Alright then, Niel in the kitchen. Whoa.
See that? See that?
Irish moss.
Our production them same way.
See there? Good life. Respect.
Peanut.
I peanut on this. Inside your company make this too? And a good life.
Same way.
See there? Irish moss. So you know the
Yeah man. All the spice, everything me pan the label same way.
see yeah. Natural.
Natural.
Cause you go make them, you know, so for you said natural, it is natural. Only can separate it.
Yeah. They say it so. When food I eat, I go see it.
You see it? Alright. What my Irish man right now.
Least.
Yeah, last but not least.
See it the same way.
When we can see that peak. Whoa.
Not too long go in there. No.
This is what is now?
Yeah, not too long go in. Just go in. Just go in. See?
So how long normally take?
You know, sir, my wife here deal with it. So, therefore I ask her how that one work.
So this is the well season as well?
Yeah.
Or the same season we use?
No, he cooked from last night. I come see pre-cook already, you know, so we just strip it off and I mash it up right now. So she put fair touch on it.
Okay. You see the good life? I'm full like I'm not look pretty.
So she glaze it and put on fair thing them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fair sauce and
Yeah.
everything. Alright, Faye. Chicken. Chicken. People is bad than fish as well, you know. When they didn't fish them bad. You're not gonna see them do the fish on this program.
Smell nice here, man.
Wow.
You smell the beer, stand up.
And the most can smell it on the camera. You not smell it through? You not smell it through?
The beer.
Bring it
Nah,
smell.
man, the night. See it here. I'm not transfer what you say. She said she want them over here, see it.
We're there here in Seaview. Still in Seaview. I give them a real cooking view.
So then later we just go drink some liquor, play some domino.
Well, a vibe.
Yeah.
Regular vibe. This is how we do it. In Jamaica, good life. Real vibe. Pork. So this is about how much pound of pork now, Neil?
£10.
10
everything,
pound.
Yeah. You know if you remember Pepsi from the previous video. Pepsi. She even buy the pork from.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Pepsi.
Oh.
Remember that Pepsi?
Yeah.
Brazilian.
Yeah, Brazilian. And buy the pork from this Pepsi and watch on the program. See there?
Yeah.
Support our pork business. And it's no joke. So you know pork the man a jerk. And chicken just work.
Yeah.
Mm.
So everybody where I eat them something, yeah, eat pork and eat chicken. So
Yeah.
now watch the crossing of the thing.
Yeah.
So I say?
Give them a mix and match.
Yeah.
And this and that.
Everybody eat all of them.
Yeah.
So there's not nothing to worry about. That's why we are dealing with it. So
Straight. Ready. They say sharings. Sharing is caring. The camera smell the rice. People, good life. Wanna smell it? So tell me something for you. Are you plate that? One of them?
no black sauce in there share.
Oh, come on, I want to pass your plate small. I say, If I want if I say eat, man.
Name of them, you see?
See there?
Look at Jenna there.
And a good life.
Yeah.
Sharing is caring.
Okay. Up and running.
Here.
Straight on.
You think about these 10 though?
Yeah, see it.
We definitely have to go put in our restaurant, man. We have to build a shop for you. And you cook for good life. What you say?
Nah, but problem in the brother. Anyway, they you know.
Cook for the fans them. So the fans them can just tell you what they want you to cook.
Yeah.
And you just cook it for them.
Sure.
So people they can test him and see how skinny him is. And just comment and tell me what they want him to cook. Cause I'm bad still young, compared to I'm bad on the fish. Well, after them scared of the fish still, so.
That's it there.
Alright, that's how it's. Alright, that's how it's. In Seaview.
Good life.
Jamaica, good life.
And the next thing too, pepper them same way, see that? Pan man.
Your company.
Yeah. It and the ketchup, same brand.
Same brand.
Alright. That's it there.
And the strong one.
So, them are the little side thing them I know. See it?
Vegetable.
Straight. Man, I eat, man. Some of the sauce, yeah?
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
So need the barbecue sauce on it.
Yeah. Up and running.
These things, I'm telling you, say, you're more than qualifying in my eyes. For one restaurant. Presentation look good. Don't it good life? Presentation looking good. You can't waste them talent here. And you work for who right now?
Muscle.
Muscle.
Yeah.
Right now you have to put your own muscle in your own business right now, brother.
Sure.
You see me?
We're on.
Trust.
And see this, not go on it yet.
Alright. See there? The settings. And remember, so the arm, not go yet.
The arm not go on
What
it
to
yet.
the arm?
There, man.
Or the arm not ready yet?
Left on the fire, see him, we are going to see what he is.
So the arm for later.
Yeah.
Or arm and bread. I want to make some fried dumpling for them.
Yeah, me know say. Yeah. Good belly full.
Yeah.
I don't want no more rice.
Yeah.
Take away the omelette, Miss Rice.
I'm sorry, I never put you up star.
The
I
arm.
bought my pineapple slice and
What?
something.
Arm color change.
Yeah.
You know? Why if you know, if you like to we cannot hear the voice and you cannot tell about your arm then. Because since you don't want to make
Carry
it.
decorated, so I can't tell you much.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm doing the knife.
So why are you going to use decorated wifey?
No, me now go supermarket.
Eh?
Me now have nothing to decorate it.
Oh, so you just have to go and pre-cook it.
It is already, so you did boil it already and whatsoever. So I pre-cook already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, good it up.
Shoot it in a oven to get to the color.
And then you just cut and eat.
Yeah.
Okay. See there. I'm ready.
Yeah, man, the crust kind of hard, cut down and soft. Nice, juicy, you see? Juicy.
Easy does it.
Yeah. See I cut smooth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy does it.
See? Now I'm gonna tin on this. You see? That's the chef, you see?
Okay.
Hey,
Alright then.
man. This can drop back in the oven.
Yeah, okay. Later.
Yeah.
Everything will be greater. And sorry, so nobody not start quarrel.
So, I'm gonna carry it up again now. Fire it up. So, I want some of you know.
Alright then.
Pass. I carry the man them food come. And the dog them full them belly already. See all them something I don't think something.
You see them full of belly already.
Look for it, full like it.
Yeah, what? So the man have a plate Junior, you can't go 2 plate. Out of pass. We say, even though you work.
Say it there. A Christmas dinner this. Look nice. String bean, tomato, lettuce, crushed iris, and the good old pork. Rice with the gungo.
See,
Christmas day we are doing.
caring.
Yeah,
So the Junior, I know you can't go 2 plate one time.
No, I'm put on a little bit from now, brother. I'll put up the real settings, is it?
See there? That man work hard, you know. See him business over there, so the out of parts.
Yeah, man.
They have to eat up him food.
Put in the work, so you know?
So we eat that right, that's now, Junior. What do you plate here?
Good old fried chicken, man.
And rice and peas.
Rice and peas, man. I dog them segment left.
Alright.
Mash up that.
What them
Mash
there?
up that. Him so far, him can't eat same time.
See them there?
Man, wait till after.
As I call them, name them circle.
Man, him can't eat same
Yes,
time.
me
man.
general. Yeah, man, for them segment. A good life. Yeah, dog, come in, phone segment now.
Yo, don't rush it. Yeah, I want to unruly dog. Yo, be me to why they can work.
Yeah.
And no joke on him. Yes. See there? The shippers.
All I meet them and say which one bother.
That's right then. You tell them which one bother. So that's which one now?
Taste the barbecue already. Taste the regular one. I taste the chicken now.
Well, the people them have to tell you, you know. Because I know
Alright.
I gotta be honest.
Barbecue, me choose now.
Barbecue you choose.
Bad, man. Get bad.
Yeah.
Bad, see that?
Yeah. Eat there.
Real, man. I'm more saucy than me.
I am.
Bad. I tell you.
Jamaica, good life.
Yeah?
Vegetable and thing. For them too. You know, good life.
Jamaica good lad.
Right.
Oh.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.